To my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the Rosy Style channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming. Today I'll be doing a review on the Big Beautiful Hair Purple Pack 1-pack solution. I will be using this hair to create some clip-ins. So without further ranting on, let's just jump right into this video. So to begin, I started off with doing some flat twists to the back. I have a total of 6 flat twists complete my head. I did 6 individual braids just so I could unbraid when I completely installed the clip-ins. And this is the 4C COILY. The reason I chose this particular texture is because I believe it's going to blend in right in with my natural hair, because I am a 4C in curl patterns. Now that my clippers are installed, I'm going to go ahead and unbraid my hair. Alright, beauty, so I went off camera to finish unbraid my leave outs. So a few perks on this hair. This hair cost me $21.99. Originally the pack cost $19.99, but after tax it cost me $22. I only used one whole pack of this hair to achieve these clip-ins. It is a one-pack solution. The way I sewed my tracks together, I put 2 tracks. I don't know if you can see it. I put 2 tracks together and I sewed it on, and then I sewed on some clips on it. The reason I did that is because the tracks are very thin and I wanted it to be fuller quicker. So I just doubled my tracks and then just attached some clip-ins to it. Yeah, it was very simple. It's very easy. You could take it off and you could wear it as many times as you want. I really like this hairstyle because it gave me a natural look, and that's exactly what I was going for. I did not need to leave much hair out on the top to really to cover the tracks and the clips, so that's a plus. And I also did not need to like worry about my edges or anything because it is going to be covered, and I do want it to look like a nice afro puff. My hair did blend in a bit, a little bit, not too much, but it's gonna work. It's gonna do for the time being. So yeah, that's it for the hair. All right, beauty, so this is it. This is the final look. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Please do not also forget to hit the bell button so you can stay up to date with any new videos I will have coming out in the future. Yeah, so this is it. This is about it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.